Want to use AI to improve productivity at work? Claude AI can help businesses with writing, research, data analysis, brainstorming, customer communication, document review, and many other everyday tasks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for business in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Claude AI account and open a new chat or project. Using projects can help keep business conversations, files, and instructions organized. Separating different clients or departments into separate projects can make your workflow much easier to manage. Next, upload any reports, meeting notes, proposals, spreadsheets, contracts, or other documents you want Claude to analyze or summarize. Providing relevant files gives Claude more context and can lead to more useful responses. Ask Claude to draft emails, summarize documents, brainstorm ideas, create outlines, analyze information, or explain complex topics related to your work. Clear instructions usually produce more accurate business results. Read Claude's responses carefully and request revisions whenever needed. You can ask for shorter summaries, different writing styles, additional details, or more professional wording. Take a moment to verify important information before sharing it with others. Use shared chats, projects, or exported conversations to collaborate with your team and keep important information organized. Always review sensitive information before sharing AI-generated content. Continue using Claude for recurring tasks like meeting summaries, customer communication, research, planning, documentation, and brainstorming to save time across your business. So you've successfully learned how to use Claude AI for business. And that's how to use Claude AI for business. Whether you're managing documents, communicating with clients, analyzing information, or improving team productivity, Claude can become a powerful assistant for everyday work. The more clearly you define your goals and workflows, the more value you'll get from using Claude in your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.